Alright, so today we got this Massport 675 EX push mower, Briggs and Stratton 675 EX. It runs, but it don't run too great. I don't clean the carburetor, so it's I'm gonna change the carburetor out. So first thing you do, pull this plastic cover off. This cover right here has two bolts in it, up here and up here. Take them off and pull this cover off. That just goes out of your way. Then you got 1, 2, 3, and 4 bolts. The two darker ones are going to be 8mm, and these two bottom ones are going to be 7mm. So you take them out. This cover comes off like that. Next thing you want to do, you're going to have your gas line back here. I'm going to need these pliers, something to plug it up with. You're going to take your fuel line off. What I like to use is a 1/4-inch socket. Fills that hole pretty good, plugs it up. Alright, next, I'm going to pull the carburetor out a little bit. Oh, not that hard. These. Pull out the choke, throttle, carburetor comes off just like that. We already have a brand new one ready to go. Right here. Put your line in here. Like this. And you're gonna have this line just right here. Like that. Alright. Slide that out one. Put your slide it in place. Alright, now you're going to undo your fuel line, put it back on. Put your clamp. Slide it in place. Make sure this line goes in here for your air. Just like that. Take your silver screws and go on the bottom here. Your 7mm. That's tight. We're going to take it, put it right back into the seat. You'll have your two screws that go down in there. And this pops right on top of here. See if she'll fire it up.